Occupational Outlook Handbook is a great website for locating career information and salary projections. There are many ways to search for career information. First, you can search for careers by typing in a keyword here. You can also search by specifying salary range, education level, and more. The A to Z list offers the full list of career profiles. You can also browse lists of occupations and occupation resources here. If you're interested in learning more about a certain type of career, check out the list of occupation groups located on the left. Here you can see a brief overview of projections for your chosen category. You can also see a list of occupations within the category along with quick facts for each. To see the full occupation profile, click on the title of your desired occupation. Here you can see more extensive information on the career, broken down into sections. To see a particular section, click on the tabs located at the top of the page. To see information needed for citing this profile, scroll to the bottom of the page. If you have questions about Occupational Outlook Handbook, be sure to contact a librarian.